figure below is made up of 6 identical isosceles triangles. Find the area of the figure. Okay, let's try to strategize this. They told us that this is identical, which means that this, and this, they are all the same. Can we find out this first? How many sets of these are there in 30? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I take 30 divided by 5, that will give me 6 meters. Remember, they are using meters right now, not cm. So your answer must be meters, cannot be in cm. If not, minus 1 mark. Now, since they said it's isosceles, what does it mean? Isosceles triangle means that 2 sides are equal. So it's this side and this side are equal. Okay, so this side equal. With this in mind, over here, they conveniently gave us a right angle. If y'all cannot see, I'm going to tell you, this one is a right angle. So it tells us that this is perpendicular, this 6 is perpendicular to this 6. So according to the formula I taught y'all in the previous video, can you figure out how to find the area of this triangle? So for this isosceles triangle, it will be half times base times perpendicular height. And since the base we put it at 6, the perpendicular height will be 6 as well. So it will be half times 6 times 6, and that will give us 18. And how many of such identical isosceles triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total area would be 6 times 18. And that will give us 54. Okay? Is it? No, it's not. Is it? Okay, let me figure it out. What am I talking about? Sorry, my brain is a bit like lousy at like 7 AM. Oh, sorry, 108. Sorry, my bad. So it's 108 meter square. Okay? So, in this case, please remember this formula that I've painstakingly taught you all the past couple of videos. Do not forget, it is perpendicular height. So the height must be perpendicular to the base. If it's not perpendicular, you cannot use it. Alright, done.